If you're searching for Jira alternatives, the first thing to sort out is which Jira you're actually replacing, because the answer splits the field completely. Jira software is project tracking for engineering teams. Jira Service Management is the IT service desk built on top of it. Most alternative roundups quietly cover the first one, comparing agile planning tools and self-hosted project boards. This is about the second, what to use when Jira is your IT support desk and it isn't working. There's also a specific reason a lot of teams are shopping right now. Atlassian began sunsetting its on-premise products in March 2026, so organizations with data sovereignty or compliance requirements that keep them off cloud are being forced into a decision they didn't plan to make. As for why teams leave, the complaints are consistent across reviews. The interface feels cluttered, configuration is heavy enough that someone owns Jira as part of their job, and non-technical teams struggle with it. The deepest issue is architectural. JSM was built around engineering ticketing, not internal IT support, so employees skip the portal, requests fall back into Slack DMs anyway, and your team cleans up a backlog that should never have been a queue. The alternatives sort into 4 groups. Enterprise ITSM, meaning ServiceNow and Manage Engine, gives you the deepest ITIL and CMDB coverage, but ServiceNow implementations often run 9 to 18 months and need dedicated admins. Mid-market ITIL like Freshservice, Sysaid, and Halo ITSM gets you most of the process with far less overhead. Customer support crossover, mainly Zendesk, fits when the same team handles employees and customers, though it's thin on true ITSM like change management and CMDB. And AI service desks, including Console, Clearfeed, and Ravenna, move intake to where employees already are instead of pushing them into a portal. That last group is worth understanding because it changes the goal. Every tool above makes routing a ticket faster. Console is built on the premise that the best outcome is no person touching the request at all. It lives in Slack and Teams, and for Tier 1 work like access requests and password resets, the agent completes the task and closes it. The numbers are public and tied to named customers, which is the evidence to demand from anyone. Webflow automates around 75% of requests and moved its help desk ratio from 1 agent per 100 employees to 1 per 200. Scale AI went from roughly 18% to 57% autonomous resolution. So pick by the honest question. If you need deep ITIL, look enterprise. If you want Jira with less friction, look mid-market. But if what you actually want is fewer tickets rather than faster ones, look at the tools that resolve instead of route, and ask each one for a resolution rate tied to a real customer.